Child Helpline Nepal 1098 is established as a national child protection mechanism to ensure children's right to protection through interventions like emergency rescue, relief, legal and medical assistance, and psychological counseling. In Nepal, child helplines are operated in partnership with the Government of Nepal, Ministry of Women, Children and Senior Citizen, National Child Rights Council, and Nepal Telecommunication Authority. Stakeholders and other actors such as Nepal Police, district police officers, local municipalities are the important partners in the operation of child helplines. The history of child helpline in Nepal isn't very long. In 1998, Civil Nepal launched the very first child helpline of Nepal under the name of Civil Helpline 271000. It took us 9 years of advocacy with the concerned authorities of the state to own the mechanism and transform it into Child Helpline Nepal 1098, a national child protection mechanism. This transformation not only strengthened this child protection mechanism but also helped tremendously in reaching out to more children in need all over the country. We are proud to say that today, child helplines are present in all 7 provinces of Nepal. Out of 18 child helplines, 9 are operated by Civil Nepal, among which helplines in Karnali province and Janakpur are run in collaboration with local organizations Awaz Nepal and Asman Nepal respectively. Civil-run child helplines are in existence in Kathmandu, Biratnagar, Pokhara, Hetauda, Nepalganj, Dhangari, Butwal, Janakpur and Surkhet. The helplines directly cover at least 4 to 5 adjoining districts with their child protection services. Child Helpline Nepal 1098 has emerged as a single reliable national child protection mechanism in Nepal. The service providers, Nepal Telecom and Ncell Axiata under Nepal Telecommunication Authority have made the emergency toll-free number 1098 accessible throughout the country. In 23 years of its existence, Child Helpline Nepal has received more than 1.5 million calls and has provided direct support to more than 30,000 children in desperate need of help. In any case, when a child needs emergency rescue, Helpline coordinates with NCRC and local police office for the rescue operation. It also provides shelter in its transit centers where the child is given necessary care, emotional support, counseling, and other forms of relief. It also provides legal aid and fights court cases on behalf of child survivors. Child Helpline has fought over 3,500 court cases to bring perpetrators of child abuse to justice. Child Helpline has been in the forefront to respond to children in need during emergencies, be it during the armed conflict, floods, earthquake or COVID-19 pandemic. Staff of Child Helpline Nepal have worked tirelessly 24/7 to ensure the safety and protection of children. In the first lockdown induced by COVID-19 pandemic, the staff of Child Helpline 1098 provided emergency support to more than 15,000 children. The 7 helplines run by Civil Nepal received more than 60,000 calls, out of which 4,000 were provided immediate direct services. 3,000 street-connected children were supported with emergency relief and health care. With the help of other like-minded organizations, Civil Nepal helped 30 street-based youth get the vaccine against the virus. During the pandemic, helplines all over Nepal received many calls regarding the trauma adolescents and young adults were facing. To address the mental health issue of the children, Helpline worked closely with the Child and Adolescent Psychiatry Unit in Kanti Children's Hospital, which is initiated by Civil Nepal. This year, 23,000 children received mental health support. We take great pride in saying that helpline cases have aided in the formulation of policy, laws and program of the government of Nepal. Today, we have integrated the online information system of Child Helpline, which has helped both the government and private sectors in working towards children's safety. Efficient coordination and cooperation among relevant government agencies, civil society, community groups, law enforcing agencies and child clubs have further strengthened the helpline system. And to sum it all up, National and international experiences and trainings to the helpline staffs have enhanced the professional service of the helpline system. With children having more access to the internet, Child Helpline Nepal has recently launched a mobile app for both Android and iOS platforms and is using various media to promote it on various platforms so that more children have knowledge and access to it. Gradually, more children are reporting their problems regarding sexual abuse and online abuse using the mobile app, and the number is growing. Child Helpline 1098 has proved that children can count on it for their protection. It has now become a household name for child protection in Nepal. The government of Nepal has also given it a priority in recent days. To strengthen, expand and sustain the Child Helpline Nepal 1098 across the nation, political will is needed so that it becomes an inseparable part of child protection response. The access is increased and outreach is ensured. All levels of government, including the federal, provincial and local governments, have an equally important role to support the Child Helpline and protecting children from all forms of abuse and exploitations.